Hey buddies, and welcome back to our channel. Merry Christmas! Can you feel that magic in the air? Today is one of the most exciting days of the year, and we are so ready to share the joy with all of you. We've got a huge pile of presents right here under our beautiful Christmas tree, and we can't wait to see what's inside. Are you guys as excited as we are? Let's get right into the fun and start unboxing these amazing Christmas gifts. Make sure you watch till the end to see all the cool surprises we get. But before we tear into this wrapping paper, let's talk a little bit about why we even get presents on Christmas. It's not just about getting new toys, even though that's super fun. Giving and receiving presents is a tradition that goes way, way back. It's a special way to show our family and friends how much we love and appreciate them. When someone gives you a gift, they've thought about you and what would make you happy. It's a symbol of love, kindness, and the joy of being together. The tradition is also linked to the story of the 3 wise men who brought gifts to baby Jesus. So, every time you open a present, remember it's not just a thing, it's a little piece of love from someone who cares about you. Alright, enough talk, let's get to the action. We have so many presents here, I don't even know where to start. Let's go for this big one first. It's wrapped in this super shiny red paper with little snowmen on it. It feels pretty heavy. What do you think is inside? Let's give it a little shake. It doesn't rattle too much. Okay, here we go. Let's rip it open. 3, 2, 1. Wow, no way. It's a brand new Lego set. This is the giant space shuttle. Look at all these pieces. This is going to be so much fun to build. I can't wait to put this together and launch it into space. In my room, of course. Thank you so much, Mom and Dad. This is awesome. Next up, let's grab this smaller, squishier one. It's wrapped in green paper with little reindeer on it. It feels soft, so it's probably not a toy car. Any guesses? Let's see. I'm going to open this one carefully. Oh, it's a new sweater. And it's so soft and cozy. It has a big picture of a polar bear on the front wearing a Santa hat. This is perfect for the cold weather. I'm going to wear this all winter long. It's so warm and fuzzy. It's important to get practical gifts too, because they show that people care about keeping you warm and safe. Thanks, Grandma. I love it. Okay, moving on. What's in this long, skinny box? The wrapping paper has candy canes all over it. This one is a mystery. It's not very heavy. Let's find out. Whoa, cool. It's a set of colored pencils and a huge drawing pad. And not just any colored pencils, these are the super fancy ones with all the different shades. Look at all these colors. There must be 100 of them. This is perfect for getting creative. Maybe I'll draw a picture of our Christmas tree with all the presents. This gift is all about creativity and imagination. It's a reminder that we can create our own fun and make beautiful things. What a fantastic gift. Let's see, what's next? Oh, this one has my name on it in sparkly letters. It's a medium-sized box and it rattles when I shake it. I love a good rattle. It means there are lots of little pieces inside. Let's get this open. The tape is being a little tricky. There we go. Yes. It's a board game. It's called Jungle Adventure. It looks so cool. You have to move your little explorer pieces through the jungle and avoid the crocodiles. This is a gift that the whole family can enjoy together. Board games are amazing because they bring everyone to the table for some friendly competition and lots of laughs. I can't wait to play this with everyone later today. This is going to be a blast. Now for this one, wrapped in sparkly blue paper. It feels like a book. I love getting books for Christmas. Let's see what story I'll be diving into. I'm opening it carefully. It's a collection of adventure stories. The cover has a pirate ship and a treasure map on it. I love reading before bed, and this looks like it's full of exciting tales. Reading is like a superpower. It can take you to faraway lands and on incredible adventures without ever leaving your room. It helps our brains grow and teaches us new things. This is a gift that keeps on giving because I can read it over and over again. This is perfect. We're almost through the pile. Let's see what's in this tiny little box. It's so small. What could possibly be inside? It's wrapped in gold paper. Big things sometimes come in small packages, right? Let's open it very gently. Wow. It's a cool-looking watch. It's a digital watch, and it has a stopwatch and a little light. This is so cool. Now I can always know what time it is, and I won't be late for anything. This is a really grown-up gift. It teaches responsibility, like knowing when it's time to do your homework or when it's time to play. Thank you. I'm going to put it on right now. Look, it fits perfectly. Oh, okay, we have 2 presents left. This one is from my sibling. It's wrapped well. It's wrapped with a lot of tape. They really didn't want me to get into this one easily. Let's see if I can find a starting point. This is like a puzzle itself. Okay, I'm in. Let's see. Oh, that's so funny. It's a magic trick set. It comes with a magic wand, a deck of special cards, and a book of secrets. Now I can become a magician. This is a gift all about having fun and learning a new skill. Maybe I can put on a magic show for you guys in a future video. What do you think? This is such a thoughtful and fun gift. And now, the final present. It's a big one, but it's really light. What could it be? The paper is covered in stars. I'm so curious about this one. Let's open it up and see what the last surprise of the day is. 3, 2, 1. It's a soccer ball. A brand new, super shiny soccer ball. Yes! Now I can practice my kicks outside. This gift encouraged me to be active, go outside, and play. It's so important to move our bodies and have fun outdoors. Maybe I'll be a soccer star one day. This is the perfect end to our unboxing. Wow, what an amazing Christmas! We got so many incredible gifts, from toys and games to books and cozy clothes. Each one is special in its own way. Remember, the best part of Christmas is not just what we get, but the love and thought behind each gift and the time we spend with the people we care about. We are so grateful for everything. What was your favorite gift that we opened today? And tell us what you got for Christmas. We'd love to hear about it. Thank you all so much for celebrating with us and watching us unbox our presents. We had so much fun sharing this moment with you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fun adventures, challenges, and maybe even a magic show, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Have a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.